Tracy built a nice nest for her ducklings on the farm. That makes Elmo wonder, where else can birds build their nest? Elmo wants to know, don't you? Let's find out. Oh, there you are. The drawer sounds just like a bird. Tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet! Can birds build their nest in a tree? On the moon? Or in a bathtub?
In a tree!
Yeah! Birds build their nest in a tree. Can a bird build a nest on a telephone? A house? Or a birthday cake?
In a house! In a house!
Yeah! A house! Can a bird build a nest on a cow? On a ball? Or on Sesame Street?
Sesame Street! That looks like Big Bird's nest.
Hi, Big Bird!
I love my nest.